Loneliness is a factor that accelerates all illnesses and it exacerbates all illnesses. And the antithesis is also true that companionship is a factor that increases longevity. I've lived and worked abroad for most of my life. I've had successful career, a corporate career in the US, UK. तो मैं अपनी ज़्यादातर ज़िंदगी जो है वो बाहर रहा हूँ. And so therefore, I for one am keenly aware and cognizant of the burden, the guilt, the worry that plagues someone who is living abroad and who is unable to take care of aging parents directly. यानी कि आप बाहर काम कर रहे हैं और आपके वालिदैन बुज़ुर्ग होते जा रहे हैं और आप उनका डायरेक्टली ख्याल नहीं रख सकते. तो ये एक बहुत ही फ़िक्रमंद हालत होती है एक बच्चे की जो बाहर रह रहा होता है. तो ये सिचुएशन से मैं ख़ुद गुज़रा, तो इसलिए मुझे बड़ा एहसास था इस प्रेडिकेमेंट का. तो 2024 में कुछ साल पहले जब मैंने और मेरी वाइफ ने डिसाइड किया मूव बैक होने का, तो उस वक्त हमें ये एहसास हुआ कि व्हाट अबाउट पीपल हु आरंट एज फॉर्चुनेट टू टेक दिस डिसीजन, हु वांट टू बट आर अनेबल टू मूव बैक टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ देयर पेरेंट्स. तो तब मैंने और मेरी वाइफ ने सोचा और बहुत सारी अच्छी इनपुट्स मिली हमें अपने दोस्तों से, मेरे फादर से, कि एक ऐसी जगह होनी चाहिए है जो उन लोगों का ख्याल रखे जिनके बच्चे उनका ख्याल नहीं रख सकते. बहुत सारी वेलफेयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, ओल्ड एज होम्स हैं, बट वो ऐसी जगह नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली जहाँ मैं और आप रहना चाहेंगे, लेट अलोन putting our parents, because they are slightly dilapidated and they're not the kind of places where certain segment of the society is used to living. So we did a lot of research to not only say yes to this idea, but also to design the service in a way which would be most beneficial to that segment that we were targeting. So Senior Circle is a premium assisted living facility. We have a really nice home that we give to our residents. एक घर में we have roughly 8 to 10 people, so we don't overcrowd the place. We provide accommodations, private rooms with a TV, fridge, AC, fully furnished, attached bathroom, everything that a resident might need to live a comfortable life. In addition to that, we have trained nurses and medical staff that take care of basic medical needs of our residents. We provide a bunch of activities such as chair yoga, cognitive games for people being affected by memory issues. We do arts and crafts and a lot of social activities that keep our residents engaged and also give them that social aspect that they're missing at home. So by sending your parents here, you are not compromising on the quality of care. You are actually enhancing it. You are giving them what they need, which is great quality care, premium luxurious accommodations, and also a social element which is missing. So really you are enhancing their quality of life. इस सर्विस की डिमांड है वो डॉर्मेंट थी. डॉर्मेंट का मतलब है कि पीपल नीडेड अस बट दे weren't अवेयर कि दे नीडेड अस. कि अगर वालिदैन पाकिस्तान में हैं, उनको पता है कि एक प्रॉब्लम है कि वालिदैन अकेले हैं, उनका कोई ख्याल रखने वाला नहीं है, बट वो कभी ये सोचते भी नहीं थे कि एक जगह ऐसी है जहाँ पर आप उनको रख सकते हैं, जहाँ उनका बेहतरीन ख्याल रखा जाएगा. अच्छा, वेस्ट में जो है, बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी जनरेशंस अहेड, एक पूरा स्पेक्ट्रम है. From one side you have retirement homes where people move in for no other reason but to have a great life after they retire. Then you have independent living facilities, you have assisted living facilities, nursing homes, and then hospice care or end of life care. So we are somewhere in the middle. We are an assisted living facility / nursing home. Whenever you think of old age home, when those words enter your mind, you conjure up an image of कि एक facility है और एक वहाँ restrictions होंगी. But when you come and visit this place, you see कि it's a beautiful home. You have excellent staff. I have handpicked the staff and I've made sure that they are great at what they do, but they're also very empathetic. They treat you with dignity and compassion. So when you meet the staff, when you see how helpful they are and they truly have a passion for elder care. और जब ये आप जगह देखते हैं और यहाँ पे जो अमेनिटीज़ हैं, तो फिर आपका माइंड चेंज होता है एंड दैट इमेज ऑफ ओल्ड एज होम है, बुरी जगह है, वो शैटर हो जाता है. So when people come, when they hear about the service, when they see it for themselves, then immediately their mind changes. Then the taboo, the stigma, the mental block immediately fades away, and 99.9% of the people say that a place like this was very necessary, and they become receptive to the idea. In the last 2 years of my journey as an entrepreneur and as a founder, owner and operator of Senior Circle, I'm now convinced 100% that a service like this is very essential and highly needed in our society. And we will expand inshallah आपकी दुआओं से, और जो हमें हमारी जो residents हैं उनकी families से जो दुआएं मिलती हैं, that is really the biggest reward for this service. तो जो पाकिस्तानी डायस्पोरा है between the age of 35 and 55, they likely have parents who are aging here and who need help. So, and that's a big population. So I will continue to expand and provide the service which is much needed in Pakistan.